Hi everybody, and welcome back to NorCal Slot Car Scene. This is the week of the biggest race of the year, the Slotted Nationals at Electric Dreams. If you want to catch the action, go to the Electric Dreams YouTube channel. Most all the action is live streamed. But that's not all. We have breaking news. Each year, Maurizio Ferrari, the owner of Slotted, typically announces a brand new car. And this year is no exception. We have a world premiere. Last year, Maurizio showed us the Mazda 767B, and a lot of them are being raced at the Slotted Nationals this year. So, what's the next car in the Slotted lineup? It was announced just a few minutes ago on a live stream from Electric Dreams. So what is this new car? Maurizio teased us this morning and told us it was a hypercar. So for about 8 hours, we've been trying to figure out which hypercar that Slotted was going to build. And the answer is the Aston Martin Valkyrie. At tonight's unveiling, Maurizio showed two Aston Martin Valkyries, one in dark blue, the other in British racing green. And a little background about the Aston Martin. It is a hypercar that races at LeMans in the World Endurance Challenge, as well as IMSA in the GTP category. So it's racing throughout the world. And it's probably the only hypercar you can actually buy a street version of. But it's going to be a little bit more expensive than the slotted version. Here's a couple of views of the green car, showing the front as well as the rear. And here's three-quarter views of the blue car. You can see the rear by where the motor is extremely low. And that is possible because Slotted uses the flat 6 motor that they developed. And because it's very low, it allows for better packaging when they're trying to build cars that look as scaled as possible. The chassis for the Valkyrie is very similar to a lot of the other cars that Slotted makes, especially in the hypercars like the Toyota. And it uses the standard angle winder pod with the flat 6 motor. The one difference is this car now has the capability of using a 6-point mount. So it's slightly different than the other cars in the Slotted line. So there you have it. That's a quick look at the world premiere of the Slotted Aston Martin Valkyrie. If you want to see the actual premiere, it's on Electric Dreams YouTube channel. And you can see all the other new liveries that Slotted is coming out with in the next few months. The only bad thing about the Slotted Aston Martin Valkyrie is they can't really reproduce that raw V12 sound that you can hear at the racetracks. Or maybe they can. As always, thanks for watching. This is Jim Rose with NorCal Slot Car Scene.